Hi guys, it's Tony bringing you another description. How are you guys doing? Thanks for coming along. Today we're looking at Weetabix Crispy Minis chocolate chip. Alright, so have you had yours? Have you had yours, guys? Have you really had yours? Alright. Okay guys, so that's what's in it. Okay. Right, so it says it's a super tasty breakfast that'll go down a treat. Well, I'm having this for my supper, so is it a super tasty treat for supper? Weetabix Crispy Minis are delicious and crunchy bites that. Made with golden whole grain wheat, high in fibre and cranberry fruit chips. Alright, so let's get on with this. Tony just opened the box and show us the flavours. Alright, let's go. You can tell this is a quality bag because I can't even get into it. There we go. Okay guys, so that's what's like in it. So, tastes really good. Kind of tastes of Weetabix. And you know that Weetabix are milk drinkers. Actually milk hose. But so that's it guys. Just a quick look at that one. Looks good. The big question is, will I recommend them? Well, I guess give them time to soak in. Okay. Weetabix is one of the best out there, but personally I wouldn't buy that. This was given to me. People say, Tony, who keep giving you things? Well, actually, I have friends that help me out. So they like buy me random stuff. Yeah, not bad at all. But yeah, I mean, you know, Weetabix has been around for a long time, guys, and we all grew up with it. But this is just something different. So thanks for looking, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, guys. It means a lot you coming along. Leave the comments, and I'll catch you in the next one.